With federal student loans, you can get a payment plan that is based on your income. So if you can't afford to make the regular monthly payment on the loan once you graduate, you can apply to the U.S. Department of Education through their servicer to get a payment plan that's in line with your income. It's called an income-driven repayment plan, and there are several of them depending upon the type of loan that you have. But what if you don't have a federal loan, or in addition to federal loans, you have some private loans, or you have a loan from the New Jersey Higher Education Student Assistance Authority, a New Jersey class loan? Can you get an income-driven plan for a class loan? Would you like to know the answer? Hi, I'm Steve Richardson, and I'm a student loan attorney here in Southern New Jersey. And the answer is yes. You can get an income-driven repayment plan for your class loan through HESAA. Now you have to reach out to them and fill out a form, provide them with some income information, and they'll work with you on a repayment plan that can be as long as 30 years. I've negotiated plans that are income-driven for people that have actually already defaulted on their loans. They're being sued, and I've negotiated this with the attorney for HESAA. But there's no reason to wait till you're in default. If you just can't afford the payments, you're not in default yet, contact HESAA, see if you can get something that's income-driven. It may well take you a lot longer to pay off the loan than you originally would have, but at least the payments are affordable. So if that income-driven plan at the end of the 30 years, or whatever the length of the term is, does not result in full payment of the loan, including interest, and there's a balance that is discharged, you need to be, or discharged or wiped out, administratively discharged, not a bankruptcy discharge, then you have to be careful of the potential tax consequences, because the IRS considers any debt that is forgiven to be taxable income for the year in which it was forgiven. So you need to be aware of that tax consequence. So if you are struggling to make your loan payments to HESAA and you're current or maybe a few months behind but you're not in default, reach out to them and see what they can do and work with them to get an income-driven plan. But if your plan is in default and it's been sent to a lawyer to come after you, to sue you for the balance, then please give my office a call at 856-432-4113, and we can talk about how I may be able to help you to get into an income-driven plan for the repayment of your New Jersey class loan.